Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Rocky Mount, NC. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located less than 10 minutes drive from Interstate 95, this pet-friendly hotel features laundry facilities. Central Rocky Mount is 3 miles away. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Motel 6 Rocky Mount. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception is available to the guests of the Rocky Mount Motel 6. Guests also have access to fax and photocopying services. North Carolina Wesleyan College is 4 miles from the hotel. The 5-county stadium is 35 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.